Welcome back, fellow crypto traders. Following Bitcoin's sudden surge that happened yesterday, I am your host. Today will be giving you an information on some hot gems to pack. In this video, I will be letting you know some of them which is good to trade this week. Nonetheless, Bitget has an event for this one. Let's dive in. Before we delving deep, a special reminder that this event will run from 11 a.m., September 27, 2023, 11 a.m., October 7, 2023 UTC. So get prepared and buckle up. So these tokens are pretty much a cash cow, as Bitget listed them already and got some special spices going on for these tokens. You can earn from these tokens by not only trading but also from this special event. Now you can earn these tokens by 3 method. You can earn hot tokens. Also you can earn these tokens by accumulating points, as these points can be redeemed for these hot tokens. And lastly, you can buy these tokens and redeem it for some good and juicy rewards. Are you ready to be part of it? I will show you the detail of these events and also which tokens you can use. By using these tokens, you can grab these hot tokens by completing certain tasks which Bitget shows you. Engage in a variety of exciting tasks, challenges, and activities on their platform. Each completed task earns you valuable points. There is a point system in this hot tokens event which you can get a stack of the tokens by accumulating points, which is pretty generous coming from Bitget. You can easily redeem rewards by using this tokens as a ticket for it, but how exactly do you do it? You can visit our exclusive hot token redemption center and exchange your tokens for a treasure trove of incredible prizes, discounts, and exclusive offers. For the tokens that you can trade and earn, you can go with these tokens. Link, TRB, XRP, Gala, Wood, IMX, Apt. These tokens are included on the website page, and you can earn right out of the bat with these tokens. With these tokens, get ready to ignite your world by participating in these event hot token spectacle. Join us for an unforgettable journey where you can earn, exchange, and indulge in exclusive rewards like never before. With these event running, do not worry holding your tokens, as just by holding and owning it you will be able to get even more rewards. So be the panther and grab the chance while it lasts. This is your chance to make your mark in the world of hot tokens. Join us for a sizzling adventure filled with challenges, rewards, and endless fun. The more you engage, the hotter it gets. And before we ended this video, make sure you read the rules for this event so you fully understand about this event and all the T and C. If you like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe for more updates ahead.